Alright, so in this problem, I have x to the power of x is equal to x to the power of 2. So I want to find the value of x here. So for my solution, I'm going to first start by rewriting my equation. So x to the power of x is equal to x to the power of 2. And now I'm going to divide both sides by x to the power of 2. So if I divide both sides by x to the power of 2, I get x to the power of x over x to the power of 2 is equal to x to the power of 2 over x to the power of 2. And x over x to the power of 2 over x to the power of 2, these two cancel out, and I get 1. So I get x to the power of x over x to the power of 2 is equal to 1. Now, if I have something in the form a to the power of m over a to the power of n, this is the same thing as a to the power of m minus n. So x to the power of x over x to the power of 2, that's the same thing as x to the power of x minus 2, which is equal to 1. Now, I'm going to take the natural log or ln on both sides. So I get ln x to the power of x minus 2 is equal to ln 1. So if I have something in the form ln a to the power of b, I can move this exponent and b to the front. So it's going to equal b times ln a. So in this case, I have ln x to the power of x minus 2, and I can move this to the front. So I get x minus 2 times ln x is equal to ln 1. Now I can distribute the ln x, so I get x times ln x minus 2 times ln x is equal to ln 1. And ln 1, that's equal to 0. ln 1 equals 0. So now I get x times ln x minus 2 times ln x is equal to 0. Now, I'm going to go back and factor out ln x. So I get ln x times x minus 2 is equal to 0. And now I get two equations. I get ln x is equal to 0, and I also get x minus 2 is equal to 0. So for ln x equals 0, we already know that ln of 1 is 0, right? So x equals 1. That's one solution of x. And for x minus 2 equals 0, that's simple. All we have to do is add 2 on both sides. And I get x is equal to 2. So x equals 1 and x equals 2 is my solutions. Now, going back to the original equation, we have x to the power of x equals x to the power of 2. So to check, I'm going to first start by plugging in x equals 1. So if I plug in x equals 1, I get 1 to the power of 1 is equal to 1 to the power of 2. 1 to the power of 1 is 1, and 1 to the power of 2 is also 1. So this is right. Now if I plug in x for 2, I get 2 to the power of 2 is equal to 2 to the power of 2. And 2 to the power of 2 is 4, 2 to the power of 2 is 4, so this is right as well, meaning my two solutions are right. Hey guys, welcome back to Clear Academics. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to solve this exponential problem. So we have 2 to the power of 10 minus 2 to the power of 9. Now what I'm first going to do is I'm going to rewrite this 10 as 9 plus 1. So we have 2 to the power of 10 minus 2 to the power of 9, and this is equal to 2 to the power of 9 plus 1 minus 2 to the power of 9. Now, an important property of exponents is that if we have something in the form a to the power of m plus n, this is equal to a to the power of m times a to the power of n. So the base simply distributes with the exponents. So I'm going to use this property for 2 to the power of 9 plus 1. We can think of 2 as a, 9 as m, and 1 as n. So this would equal to 2 to the power of m, which is 9, times 2 to the power of n, which is 1. And now we are subtracting this with 2 to the power of 9. And now this is equal to, now I'm going to factor out 2 to the power of 9 from this. So if I factor out 2 to the power of 9, I get 2 to the power of 9 times, now 2 to the power of 9 divided by 2 to the power of 9 is 1. And then I have, 2 to the power of 9 times 2 to the power of 1 divided by 2 to the power of 9 is simply just 2 to the power of 1 minus 2 to the power of 9 divided by 2 to the power of 9 is 1. And now this is equal to 2 to the power of 1 minus 1 is simply 1. So I have 2 to the power of 9 times 1, which is equal to, anything times 1 is itself, so 2 to the power of 9. Now, for 2 to the power of 9, this is equal to 2 to the power of 4 times 2 to the power of 5, because, remember, a to the power of m plus n, a to the power of m plus n is equal to a to the power of m times a to the power of n. So now, 2 to the power of 4 is 16. 2 to the power of 5 is 32. So we have 16 times 32. We have 32 times 16. 2 times 6 is 12. We carry the 1. 6 times 3 is 18. 18 plus 1 is 19. Then we add our 0. 1 times 2 is 2. 3 times 1 is 3. 2 plus 0 is 2. 9 plus 2 is 11. We carry the 1. 3 plus 1 is 5. So our final answer is 512.